What is this thing?
It's a heat press.
A what?
A heat press.
Heat press.
Yes. A heat press. Some cups.
What's a heat press?
A mug press. What they use when you press a shirt, when you make a shirt,
Oh.
and you press the vinyl on it, it's like a big clamp, a big heat clamp.
I guess you learn something new every day.
Yes. I know I was standing there just grinning like a Cheshire cat. Like, I was just so happy on the inside. I was literally like tap dancing. Y'all stay tuned so you can see what is inside these packages. The comments. Okay, y'all ready? I want to show y'all. I guess I'll put this down now. I want to show y'all what I got. So if you was following me on IG, I had a delivery of some big boxes from the UPS man. Yes, I did. Yes. So I just want to share with y'all some things that were in my packages. Thank you, Shanika. Thank you. Okay, I just want to share with y'all some things I got in my package. And everything that I got is from Pro World. So to start out, I got some, I want to say these are DTF transfers. DTF transfers. So I found a cute image on, yay! I found a cute image on Etsy. And so what I did was I went to the Pro World website and I uploaded the image and I got some transfers. So I got 10, I ordered 10 transfers, but they gave me an extra 2 on the house, which was really nice. So I'm going to have to come back and do a live with y'all on pressing the DTF, the transfers. It's really easy. So I got an order of that, and they use, I don't know if y'all have heard of super color ink that they use for the transfers, but this is made with super color ink. So the super color is supposed to be really bright and vibrant. So I'm excited to do that. And when you do the transfers, you can get them in different sizes, and depending on the size is how much you pay. But the size I got for this, is it on here? I thought it would have been on here, but it's not. But I got like a general size, like an 8 by something. And I have these super cute glitter totes. Hey, Trees. Okay, I got this really cute glitter tote. I don't see, it's like an iridescent color. It's so cute. And we can put, this is polyester, actually. This is 100% polyester. So you can sub on this, or you can put heat transfer vinyl on this. And then I like this tote because it also has a zipper, so I can open it and close it, and there is a pocket on the inside. Okay, so I have a few of these, and this is like, I don't know if y'all can really see the color because it looks more silver on camera, but it's more of like a rose goldish iridescent color, so it's really, really cute. So I can't wait to put something on that. And I also have some sublimation sequin totes. Okay, so one side is silver, the other side is white, and the white side is what you sub on. So I thought these were really nice, but it's like a woven fabric on the other side, woven canvas, I guess, on the other side, and then sequin on this side. So these are so cute. I can't wait to sub something on this for you guys. We're going to be doing some demonstrations weekly, so if you're not in my Cricut Hustle Facebook group, please get in there. The Cricut Hustle. Please join my Facebook group, The Cricut Hustle. That's where most of our product demonstrations are. Okay, so that's that. And also, awesome. Also, I got Sparkleberry ink transfers. So I got some really cute patterns. This first pattern is some penguins. And then I got, these are some doggy prints, which was really cute. And so all this is heat transfer, and it's the Sparkleberry ink. And I got one more pattern. Okay. So I'm excited to work with that. It's so cute. It is Christmas trees for real. Like, it's Christmas for real. I was acting like a little giddy kid when the UPS man came, first of all. He was asking me what everything was. He was like, what is this stuff? I said, it's a heat. Oh, I can't tell y'all yet. I'm going to tell y'all in a minute. Some of y'all don't know. I was about to tell it. That's going to be the last thing I show y'all. Okay, so I also got some Easy Subly. So this will be my first time using the Easy Subly. And Easy Subly is good if you are, I want to say if you're not subbing on cottons, or if you're not subbing on, no. The Easy Subly is good if you're using dark materials. Like if you're doing it on a dark, if you need a sub on dark fabric. That's what the Easy Subly would be for. So it came with, I don't know how many sheets. It's a nice little stack of sheets of the Easy Subly and the mask. So depending on like your design is whether you use the clear mask or not. So to me, it reminds me of using patterned vinyl, right? Or even if you're using printable vinyl that has like multiple pieces and you need them all to stick together, that's what the mask would be for. Okay, and okay, what's left in this box is I got some tumblers. Hey, welcome in. Nice tumbler, and I like the tumblers that have the metal straws. I like the plastic straws, but I really like the metal straws. So these are nice. I can't wait to sub on those to see how good it comes out. And what else did I get? And I got some, hold on. Let me go grab it because I had put it up already. I had to buy a whole new shelf. I had to go get a whole new metal shelf to make room for everything that I have, because now, like, it's ridiculous. I have 4 printers now. First of all, let's just start there. I have 4 printers. So I had to make room for everything. And I got a case. They sell the mugs by the case. The sublimation mugs, they sell them by the case. So I got a case of sublimation mugs. Yes, yes, yes. So again, all this stuff is from Pro Worlds. Pro Worlds. Okay, and let me see. Is that it? I got 2 more things I want to show you guys. Guys and gals. There we go. This was in one of my big boxes that you guys saw. This is my heat press. It's, or not heat press, it's a tumbler press and a cut press. So right now I have the cut press in here. I changed it out from the tumbler one, but it was really easy. I'll show you guys how I did it. This little string here I found out plugs into the power source. I have not used any of this yet, y'all, okay? I haven't used none of this yet. But I will. I'm going to use it with y'all first. So let me just show you how easy it is real quick to switch this out. Right now I have the cut press in here. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch it out with the tumbler part. And these two, is separate, right? So I think it comes with the tumbler, and then you might have to buy the cup press separate. There's different, you can buy different attachments. Like there's a bigger one for the 30-ounce tumbler, I believe. Let's see. So you don't need to have, right, exactly, Trees. I don't need the oven anymore. And I'm going to do a comparison video. I'm going to do a comparison video where I compare my working with the oven to the heat press, to the tumbler press. I love my oven. It's been faithful, but if I can have a tumbler press and it's going to be much faster. I think that's one of the things with the tumbler press where it's going to save is, you know, because I like to tape mine up, and I like to, like, you know, when you're using the oven, you have to tape it up really good. And I use the shrink wrap. And so it's going to just save, it's just going to save a lot more time not having to do that. I'm going to sit y'all right here for a second. So I can't see your comments while I'm putting the thing in, but just hang in with me. All right, so put that on here. And so all I'm doing is really just lining the screws up. You know, these nails won't let you do a dang thing. Let's see. There we go. If y'all go to my website, power2manifest.com/affiliates, there's links to my equipment. There's a link to my tumbler press, my new heat press that I'm going to show you, the papers I use. Because y'all know I love me some Atlanta vinyl when it comes to purchasing my vinyl. The case of mugs that I got, all that's on there. power2manifest.com/affiliate. Don't forget to put that www in front if it doesn't come up. It be acting funny. Come on. There we go. So yeah, that was just a few minutes. It was that easy. Just lined it up with, slid it in there and lined it up with the holes. And now I'm ready to do my tumblers. Okay. Let's see. So you don't, okay. So here we go. Put it on that list. Put it on that list, ma'am. Whatever you want. Hey. All right, so here's my new 15 by 15 heat press. Oh, I still got it on from earlier. 15 by 15 heat press. This is also from Pro World. And I don't know, I feel like it's a little more heavier and sturdier than my Francoeur Studio. See, you know, I put my Francoeur Studio down there on the shelf. But it's a little heavier. Like as far as I feel like when I clamp it and things like that, like it feels more firm. I don't know. It feels more expensive. I don't know. I don't know. How do you explain it feels more expensive? I don't know. It just feels that way. So I'm happy. I'm happy with everything that I got so far. So, you know, we got some more videos coming up. We're going to do the tumbler press demonstration. I'm going to do a demonstration with the press versus the oven. One thing I don't like about doing my mugs in the oven is they never turn out right. So I'm so glad I have the attachment for the cup. Yes, yes, yes. Let's bring y'all back. So yeah, that's what I got. I got all kind of goodies. That's what was in my goodie bags. Jenny said Christmas in March. Right. I really felt like it too. I really felt like it. I had the UPS man asking what was going on. He didn't even know what a heat press was. He was like, what is this? It's like, it's a heat press. What is that? Yep. So I'm excited. I got lots of stuff to make with y'all. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you're in our group, The Cricket Hustle. Join us in membership. www.powertomanifest.com/community and come craft with us on Zoom a few times a month. Get your questions answered. Get that personalized help that you need to get through your crafts. Get the motivation that you need to get going in your business or whatever crafting goals that you may have.